In this video, we are going to learn about how we can get a list from the stream. So basically, we are going to converting stream API to list. So list data, and here is list. Here are two elements, Java and PHP, and using stream we have method toList. toList method, it is return the list of data. Now we can iterate this list and checking out stream is converted or not in list. SOP and run this program. Now Java in PHP. So now we can see that using stream we can get list data. This is the first approach, and we can also get list of data using collect method. Collect collector toList. Now we can run this program and checking out we can get data in list or not. So Java in PHP. So this way we can also get the list of data from the stream.